All right, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? How's everybody doing? Hope you're all well. If you're watching this from the replay standpoint, welcome, welcome, welcome. Right now, we are in a very interesting point of crypto history. We hit new all-time highs, and we did it 19 minutes ago, which is pretty awesome. So we're gonna be chilling here, and we're gonna be covering what is crypto history. I mean, isn't that awesome? It's a very sexy chart here. I've been meaning to do more live streams, but I mean, I'm just waiting on seeing when the right time is to do these things. Now it's all right. I'll give it some slack. We'll see the people kind of entering in. New Bitcoin all-time high. Let's go. Yeah, who's pumped up for this thing? Oh yeah. Very sexy looking chart here. $104,000. I mean, like, geez. I'm just gonna kind of place a couple charts and just throw them on top of each other, and we'll just kind of digest this information together. We'll watch the charts go up together. Boom. Slap that right here. So in terms of crypto news today, we didn't really get anything other than the drone FUD. People thought maybe there was like a chance that the markets would correct as a result of the drone FUD, but I don't know. How's it going, K-Lung? I'm gonna go ahead and maybe I can pop this out. Yeah, I can pop this out. Show you guys. We show the early birds on the channel. We got Johansi. What's up, what's up, what's up? Thoughts on Hbar? My friend, it is looking like all of these ISO 2122 coins are looking like they want to break out. In fact, I'm so bullish on this breaking out. Let's open something. Let's open something. I don't know. Let's throw like 200 bucks on this trade. Boom. Send it. And let's throw one on XRP too while we're at it. It's looking bullish in crypto. All right. Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's sap it on 106K. Yeah, if we hit 106K, that's going to be pretty high octane stuff. I should put a giant logo here. Just overwhelm people with information. Ding, 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 ding. But yeah, some great news. I have just made a video today about the Messari crypto report for Hbar's Q3 stuff. And that was like back in November when everything was dead and nobody really cared about Hbar. You look at the comments back when Messari posted this, and everyone was overly bearish. Everybody absolutely hated Hbar. And it's so interesting to find that over just the past month, because of the price performance, everybody magically loves it again. Thoughts on Shiba? Well, let's look at Shiba. Phantom pumped hard today. I saw that. I did see that. I mean, if you go just... Do you think we're still in the belief phase? I mean, I posted that I think we're like midway through the belief phase. I feel if you ask the average person in crypto right now, are they saying, I need to throw my life savings at this thing? I need to do margin. No, I don't think so. I don't think we're there yet. Is everybody saying, I've got to throw everything at these trades? It's going past all-time highs. Everything is mooning. I don't know. I don't know if people are there yet. They're getting there. You know, they might start getting there soon, but that's like a Q1 problem. I don't think we're there yet, right? You look at, vámonos, Brazil. Brazil is número uno. If you're a Mordekaiser, League of Legends, you would know. Crow news. The only crow news I have is I went to Miami for Art Basel, and in Art Basel, I actually saw this like crypto.com F1 ad, which I thought was very interesting. I mean, Crow in general, the entire play behind Crow is that Crow as an exchange, like crypto.com as an exchange, is doing very well. So they're going to be funneling money into their ecosystem through what's called accelerator programs. That's literally all that means is they're throwing a lot of money at it. And also they announced crypto baskets. We got likes here. Gotta spam. I'm spamming my own likes here. I'm giving myself likes here. But what I'm doing now is I'm trying to digest whether or not they have more ad budget. And I think so. I think so for sure. There is ad budget here. So I think Cronus is going to continue to run. That's just kind of how it works. I have some input in your latest video. Loved it, but I don't see this cycle as the same as any cycle. Trump wants to file reserve. Listen, I understand, Amir. Like, totally understand the perspective of this is the golden super cycle. This is going to go past what any other super cycle would ever do. We're going to go absolutely parabolic. It's not going to last as long of a bear market. I get that perspective, but I'm also someone that has been scarred enough from prior cycles to the point where I will be taking profit before what I think to be the all-time high pump. Like, I don't want to catch the all-time highs for crypto. I'm not interested in catching all-time highs. I'm interested in taking healthy profits when I think it's right and what I told myself I would do, right? If I told myself I would do X, Y, and Z, I'm going to do X, Y, and Z. Does that mean that I'm right? I'm probably wrong. I'm not, let's just magically some enormous expert on everything on the planet, but I do know what I know, and I trade based on what I think I know. So could this be a longer bull run? Yeah, sure. 100%. Am I going to be selling all my crypto in 2025? No, I'm not selling everything in 2025. I'm selling a good portion of it. I will be taking profit. I'm going to make sure that I'm not, leaving money on the table here. But would I ever have a bag that you won't sell? I feel like that's like a Bitcoin thing. Like, for example, I haven't sold any of my Bitcoin from 2021. I've been holding that Bitcoin the entire time. I just don't sell Bitcoin. But in terms of these more volatile bags, Hbar XRP, I will be taking I'll leave moon bags. Yeah, I will be leaving moon bags. Elio actually had a great post on this where he said that he's kind of a lunatic in terms of this. Elio's like another large content creator. He would argue, right, that no more than 30% of your bag should be left over by the end of the cycle. You should leave a moon bag there just in case you're wrong, though. 5 to 10% of a bag after you're up, a couple X's is great. You think an Hbar will be a top 10 coin by May? It could be. Yeah, that very well could be. I mean, I'm pretty set on Hbar being a top 10 coin, so that would make sense to me. Quarter one would also align with, of course, Trump inaugurated. Hopefully, we'll get some news on the capital gains taxes, and we'll get news in regards to whether or not it'll be just these US coins like Hbar XRP that are ISO 2022 compliant. Like, we have to see. We don't know how long it's going to take for that news to really come to fruition, or whether or not it's actually going to happen. I think it's going to happen, but will it happen by May? Maybe we'll hear some news about it. And if we do hear no news about it, and like we get no capital gains on Hbar, yeah, I mean, I do think it will be a top 10 cryptocurrency by May. That would make sense to me. And then we get that huge correction in crypto. Next week is going to be insane. Well, usually the end of the year is pretty insane. So, I mean, if we follow the pattern, it'll put Hbar top 10. What requires a top 10 position in crypto? 24 billion. So a 2x, about a 2x and a little bit more. That'd be what? 30 cents, about 60 cents. So new all-time highs would put it at about top 10 crypto right now. If nothing else runs, if nothing else in crypto decides to run, that would put you at where you want to be. That's all right. I was a little bit surprised that we pulled back this much, but to be fair, I didn't expect us to run in the first place that much. So, I mean, you got to manage your expectations. I've been dumping lots of money into Hbar. I'm also developing on Idera. That's great. What are you developing? Are you building something through the foundation, or kind of just your own thing, seeing where it goes? Any thoughts on XLM? I mean, Stellar's awesome. Stellar had its pump though, right? Like, it had an absolutely killer pump. Killer pump. If XRP keeps running, XLM will keep running. It's a beta play. People will always think about it that way. Even if there's people that say, I don't think of it as a beta play, which I don't think of it as a beta play. I think of it very much as its own thing. But there's a good amount of people that think of it like that. Hit the like button. Always hit the like button. We got to get more people watching Hbar XRP videos. We must. I finally downloaded Hashpack. Oh, I think Hashpack's awesome. I got my Hashpack on deck. I still actually have, let me put it over here. I still actually have the Hbar that I lost when I covered it on that video. Before anybody goes, he probably made that video and he sold everything. Nope. No, we still got the Hbar. Hbar's chilling here. Doing exactly what I said I was going to do. Developing a way to share documents securely? What do you mean 911 documents? I have no idea how that works. What do you mean, like when someone does a call? Government contracts? That kind of stuff? Feels good to be in Hbar early? Oh yeah, I mean, that's when we got in. I lost my coins at 5 cents. Bitcoin dominance is falling off a cliff? Let's check it out. I haven't actually been keeping up with Bitcoin dominance, if I'm honest with you. It's been kind of the same. Let's see here. So 54. I mean, it kind of is a little bit. You're right. It hit 60%. It's now bouncing a little bit. 55%. Interesting. Yeah. I mean, we got a lot of room to go though. 39%, 38%. Bitcoin is just so large at this point. It's so hard to take dominance away from it. But it used to be at 85%. One would argue that it should go even lower than 38% this cycle. Maybe. But given how much backing crypto, especially Bitcoin has, I doubt it. Bitcoin is just going to be so big this cycle. Like incidents in real time to other 911 agencies. That's cool. Yeah, what I find is a lot of government-run projects are just not very efficient. So they likely don't have the tech. So it makes sense. What do I think about Quant? I mean, Quant's doing its thing. It's finally rallying. I mean, it was doing nothing for the longest time. And randomly, all of a sudden, it came alive. I'm going to be completely honest with you. If you own Quant, you're not going to like me. But I sold my Quant for Hbar. So I don't own any Quant. But I did own Quant back in the day. I swear. I just kind of paper-handed it. It was doing nothing for like the longest time. And I figured Hbar would have more multiples in it. It seemed like a safer play. It seemed more guaranteed. How do you get the extension for Hashpack? I did it a long time ago. But if I had to guess, let me just go to Twitter. I think you just look it up. But I'd have to find it just to make sure before I give it to you. All right, let's see. Hashpack. So I look up the wallet. So I've gone ahead. I've looked up this wallet. I've got the link tree here. And it seems right here. Download the extension. Yeah, it's this thing right here. It's got to look exactly like this. Just on their Twitter. At Hashpack app. And make sure I'm following them too. And then, yeah, just press download the extension. They have it on Android too. If you're an Android fan or iOS. What do we got here? We got a lot of comments here. We got a lot of boys that are excited. Let's go. What's going on with the trades? We down. Let's go. We excited. We excited. But other things, I've been meaning to do a deep dive on what people are AMP. Did you just say AMP? You know, Oscar Ramos, which I think covers XRP primarily these days. I messaged him. He was on vacation. Lovely guy. He was the one that introduced me to AMP. And this was a coin that had a bunch of centralized exchange listings. People said this thing was going to be the biggest thing ever. And then, I mean, while it's recovering right now, it's doing actually pretty well. 1 cent. I bought this higher though. I mean, like, let's be real. When this big thing happened here, it got its listings. Boom. All-time high. Everybody thought it was going to go to like $3 or something crazy. And everybody stopped covering it and it just died. That's pretty much what happened. But I mean, it seems, dude, it's $160 million in volume. That's very interesting. 50 cents Hbar is closer than everyone thinks. Well, when do you think a 50 cent Hbar is coming? Do we think end of month? Any thoughts on Lunk? I used to validate on Lunk back in the day. I personally, from my perspective, the Lunk community doesn't know how to build a blockchain. And they also don't know how to manage a narrative. They have no idea because they're taking themselves too seriously. They're actually trying to build something when at the end of the day, the only reason people buy Terra Classic is because it's a meme coin. Or at least they think of the narrative behind the FTX collapse, behind Luna. That's why people are buying Terra Luna Classic. And the hopes that one day it may come back to where it was before. So my idea was, why don't we do this burn narrative? Why don't we try to turn it into like a meme chain and kind of like create a pump fund in a way for the Cosmos ecosystem? But the community did not agree and they kicked me out. So I own no Lunk. Why would I own Lunk? I tried though. I lost a lot of money covering it. Even after that Terra thing. I'm a bit skittish when it comes to futures. Do you feel like now is the best time to do that in this bull market? To be honest with you, I'm only doing this because I'm on a video. I am just bored. I'm just bored. I would say don't do futures right now. I would say just buy spot. Dude, like if you can get into an Hbar trade that goes up 800%, why would you bother with spot? You get what, 100% gains? Wow, you doubled your money, but you had a bunch of risk. I would prefer spot. It's just for fun. It's like when I went to Art Basel and I was going ahead and trading. Well, unless you're like a god at trading. Listen, if you're a day trader, by all means, if you make money, keep killing it. For me, I am much better at holding things longer term, and I have done very, very well holding things longer term. But hey, if you're a god trader, go for it. You can do futures all day long. By the end of the month, I mean, that's possible given what happened in the past. I mean, the past month was crazy. It's very possible. We'll see. I'm expecting some sort of correction in January. I would assume that would happen. Maybe we don't get it though. Maybe we just keep going. Could you imagine Max Payne? This thing just keeps mooning forever. Nobody that's new to crypto gets to buy in. It's just us. The guys that have already been here for 13 decades. We've aged several centuries, but it's okay. We finally got our bags. Maybe we'll finally get it. Thanks. Yeah, of course. But yeah, no, that's my thoughts on Meme Job. So Meme Job is the pump fund, right? I know a lot of people have been chatting to me about this. I'm following it. It hasn't launched though. Be ready to trade, launch, and earn on Meme Job Fund ahead of the... Oh, so tomorrow it launches. Really? Okay. That's going to be... I have to cover this tomorrow. All right. Let's go through this thread. I can't wait to leave my 9 to 5. I'm not going to lie. I took a really big risk when I left mine. I was still paying rent and everything in between. So I got lucky. But yeah, no, working a 9 to 5 sucks. I remember when I used to work, it was like, whew, I would work 12, 13 hours a day at a hotel. It was completely terrible. It was completely terrible. But then I left that job and I started working as a server, and that was a little bit better. But I mean, no one likes working 9 to 5s. I don't know a single person that's genuinely excited to work for someone else. It launches tomorrow. I don't think it'll pump Hbar. If that's what you're asking, no. The answer is no. Why? Because if I go to DeFi Llama and I look at Idera and I look at a TVL, it's $181 million. That's the everything in this chain. Everything. $181 million. How much is Hbar worth? $11.24 billion. You know what's going to happen, Corey? This is what's going to happen. We're going to get the same effect as the XRP ledger, but a little bit lesser. Because what's happening right now is some of these top meme coins on XRP and the XRP ledger. I did a tutorial on this, so if you guys got in, you'd be up pretty massively. But if you didn't, it's okay. I'll explain to you what's been going on. So this platform called First Ledger launched on Hbar, and it's essentially a pump fund. That's all it really is. It's just a place to trade meme coins. And we've had a couple meme coin success stories. Most of them have sucked. Most of these meme coins are terrible, but one of them was good. Only one of them was good. And it was amazing for the people that bought in on day 1 and day 2 of its platform's existence. So if there is something obvious, which to me, maybe the Dino coin would make sense, like a Dino meme coin, or what else? It's Lehman's dog, if Lehman has a dog, maybe even Lehman himself, who knows? Some kind of meme coin like that takes off. I would just buy the top meme coin there and write it. It's kind of like, I guess a good example of this would be Sundog with the Tron ecosystem. When Tron launched, was it Sunpump? I think it's called Sunpump. Sundog started mooming. And I bridged a bunch of Tron over, made a killing because I was very early on. Then afterward, it wasn't as attractive. So you want to be really early if you're going to be trading meme coins on this. Now, will most people on Hbar be trading meme coins? I don't see Hbar as a meme chain, so definitely don't think that the volume is going to be on meme coins. Don't expect XRP or Hbar to magically become meme coins. Like, that's just not at all what they're building to be. But you might be able to catch a brief pump on some of these earlier meme coins. I don't know. I already sold out on all this, so I don't really care. It's just not enough. It's not enough to pump it. Will it get interest? Will it be interesting? Yeah, for sure. It'll be interesting. Got the Hashpack extension? I mean, you should. Yeah, congrats, John. I remember when I got it and they were announcing the Hashpack coin, they gave me these backpacks. And I got this gold backpack that I sold that's now worth like a bunch of money. I just... most of these coins on Hbar just do nothing. They do nothing right now. But I assume when the TVL arises and continues to rise, here's what I think is going to happen. If we're serious about pumps, what I think is going to happen, this is the key indicator that I'm looking at. Let me make sure my zoom in is live. Okay, my zoom it's working. Awesome. So this is the key thing that I'm looking at right now. This thing, stablecoins market cap, is at $26 million. This is 99% USDC. This is Circle. And keep in mind, RLUSD is coming. We all know that from XRP. XRP stablecoin is coming very soon. And what do we also know about Hedera? Well, something we know about Hedera, which I might take a little bit to find, ecosystem, devs, I'll find it. Takes me a little bit. Okay, I think my brain's not working. There it is. Okay. Anyway, here it is. So they have a stablecoin studio, which is an open source SDK that makes it easy for Web3 stablecoin platforms, institutional issuers, enterprises, and payment providers to build stablecoin applications on the Hedera network. Very interesting. So if these enterprises, institutions want to manage their own currencies on the blockchain for whatever reason, whether or not they want to regulate it or not, whether or not they want to run it through a US validator, I don't know, whatever they want to do, well, they're going to have the option to do it on the stablecoin studio, which I think is an interesting thing that I don't really see a lot of people talking about. And on top of this, if you look at Hedera right now, given the fact that USDC dominance is 99%, maybe there's a world where Hbar develops some kind of stablecoin to be some kind of proof of concept for everyone else. And they get a bunch of people buying stablecoins on Hedera. That leads to more people wanting to participate in the Hbar DeFi ecosystem because they're not going to have to risk their currencies being pegged to just Hbar. They don't want to go through the Hbar volatility, a lot of these guys. They want to have $1 equals $1 if I buy it. So, in my opinion, stablecoins will be the key indicator to see whether or not the DeFi ecosystem actually gets adoption. We need stablecoins to grow. Absolutely every single major ecosystem, I mean, Ethereum, we all know Ethereum, right? $110 billion is the size of their stablecoin market cap, which is enormous, enormous. We need some kind. 20 minutes behind. What's up, Chris? Thanks, YouTube, for your on-time notifications. Yeah, I love YouTube. We all love YouTube, right? But we need stablecoins to grow for Hbar's DeFi ecosystem to grow. Hbar is not a meme chain. XRP is not a meme chain. Will it have its meme coins that go to billions of dollars? Of course. That's just what happens. It's like, yeah, it's like Nicholas got it. Snek on Cardano was running when Cardano was running. I mean, Snek is probably doing well right now if I had to guess. Yeah, look, it's killing it. Absolutely killing it. There's going to be always that one meme coin that leads a chain that just does really well. You want that one. When Hbar decides a winner, you're going to want to own that one. You're not going to want to own anything else, just the leader. Because this is not Ethereum. This is not Solana. This is an ecosystem that's going to choose a winner and back that winner only, pretty much. These European exchanges would embrace the stablecoins. Yeah, I saw that actually. It was Coinbase and is it called Mika? M-I-C-A? Let me look it up. So it's Coinbase and then it's M-I-C-A and then I look up USDC and I think I'll find it. There it is. So Coinbase is delisting multiple stablecoins, including USDT, over MiCA compliance. Ooh, interesting, interesting. So just reading through it, if you guys are new to the news, haven't seen it, they're going to be sunsetting USDC rewards programs. And on top of this, check this out. The change is going to affect customers in the EEA, which is the 30-nation bloc, includes all 27 EU member states, along with Iceland, Norway, and Liechtenstein. I think I got it right. Yeah, I got it right. And they're saying, very grateful to the EU for protecting me against earning a yield on my USDC holdings on Coinbase. Oh no. I feel protected. I feel protected. I love this guy. Who is this guy? Trading strategy co-founder. He's very protected. Meanwhile, Tether, issuer of the US dollar stablecoin of the same name, said on November 27th that it's dropping support for its Euro peg token, citing the evolving regulatory framework surrounding stablecoins in the European market. Yo, they're just roasting Europe here. They're just like, I'm good. I'm not doing this. Still, a group of former Binance executives decided to enter the market with a Euro peg stablecoin. That's interesting, I guess. But anyway, the one that they're keeping is USDC. USDC seems like the cabal coin right now for the US for stables. I don't know if this is like US run and they're trying to like wiggle their way in there with USDC circle. There's something in there. Some weird shady shenanigans are going on. But we have RLUSD, which is kind of coming into the fray. So we'll have to see where RLUSD flies in the pack. Remember, XRP gave a lot of money over to politicians. And we all know politicians, there's a reason they get their money. So XRP, RLUSD, I'm expecting some pretty cool stuff from them. I'm expecting some kind of like 1v1 there. Crypto custody is a lot more than just not your keys, not your coins. I'm excited. An Hbar USD. Yeah, people were talking about HUSD. But it's just like not happening right now. There's a lot of people having rumors about it. Fuck Hbar USD. What is wrong with this guy? What the heck with that name? HUSD? MICRA? What is this, dude? According to the sources, what are the sources? If you think my tweet can hurt a billion-dollar company. What are these sources? Breaking KuCoin news. As reported by the Coin Republic, Hbar is set to launch Bro, what is this? This move comes as USDT. Yeah, I don't think this is happening. I'm not sold on that. I think that's just some guy engagement farming for clicks. I have no XRP. My crypto is 99.99% Hbar. So you're rich. So when are you inviting me on your yacht? I'm down to come. I'm not here to complain. Yeah, if you went all in on Hbar, you won already, dude. You could sell. Go to Valhalla. This thing is already up a ton. I wish I went all in, but I didn't. I did not go all in. When are these crypto coins gonna do something? Come on, boys. Where's this? My chat just disappeared. Oh, there it is. Come back to me, baby. Come back. All right, awesome. John, looking for my. Yeah, come on. You gotta invite both of us. We were here when you were at your lowest. I went on a yacht a couple days ago. There was this really funny drama that happens. This guy called Choose Rich Nick. He pretends to be like this super rich guy. He probably is rich. But the meme is like, he's a crypto bro, right? And I was like flexing that I owned the yacht. And the day after I was like, sorry guys, defaulted on the debt. I don't own this $100 million yacht. It was fun while it lasted. 100K plus holder Hbar. Nice. Bro's holding a good bag then. You're holding a fatty. When are you selling your Hbar, Frankie? When is your top secret plan to downsize on the Hbar? We hold into $2, $3, $4, $15. Put 12K in Hbar at 8 cents. Solid. That's pretty good. So what, you're gonna hold till what, 80 cents? You got to get 100 figures. I'm sorry, 6 figures at least. 100 figures. $37. Yeah. Yo, if it hits $37, what would even that market cap be? So 1 trillion, maybe like 1.4 trillion or something. $60, 2 trillion cap. I mean, you say LOL right now, but hey, Google's worth what, $2 trillion or something? Google stock. $2.3 trillion. Jesus. That's crazy. If you bought Alphabet, you'd be up 42%. That's crazy. Yeah, 30K is definitely not yacht money. It's okay. I mean, you could rent a smaller yacht for a day. Check back with me next year. I got you. Yeah, hopefully, hey, if I got that yacht money, you're all invited. All the crypto bros are invited. I'm gonna be one of those mastermind guys. Buy my course, you get access to my secret yacht for 20 minutes. We should all be happy to see $2 Hbar. Oh yeah, dude. If Hbar goes to $2, that would be crazy for multiples. I mean, I'm already up a lot on my Hbar. Ya tú sabes. XRP, excellent. When are you selling, Jedi? What's the secret plan? I mean, you've been holding it for a while. We're up a lot on our XRP. This thing hit new all-time highs on a market cap standpoint. I don't know when I'm selling my XRP. I feel like a part of me feels the new all-time high would be a pretty like decent point to downsize. I have to sell at some point. Like, I don't want to hold forever. I'm not that guy. I also think that in terms of multiples, there will be better plays eventually. Like, even if XRP goes to $10, you might just be better off selling at $3 to $4 and then doing something else. I don't know. It's kind of a tough question because, for example, with Hbar, I'm already up a lot. I have a very solid position. I'm up very healthy. Should I sell now? Take my profits? I don't think selling now makes any sense to me. Sell at $2.90 and rebuy after $3? Yeah, that's what I feel is gonna happen. You're sure, Hbar? I'm not sure about anything. That's just what I'm betting. That's right now what I'm trading. I'm holding Hbar since 2019. I mean, I'm just telling you, 2019 is 2019. I entered crypto in 21. 5-cent Hbar. Yeah, I bought Hbar kind of early relative price wise. What's up, Richard? Welcome, Richard. I did sell some of my XRP so I could wipe out my credit card bill. Congrats, dude. Yeah, I mean, I have debt. The problem that I have, Jedi, maybe some of you will disagree, but if I have 4% interest rate or 4 to 5% interest rate, buying crypto feels like it would be much more worthwhile than worrying about a 4 to 5% interest rate. Like, I'll pay the interest. I don't care. And then I'll pay it off later. But maybe that's like my youngin brain, like my 24-year-old Zoomer brain that doesn't like paying off debt because he feels like he can make more, and then I get too greedy and get screwed over. Have a look at Marbits. No, man, I don't trade meme coins like that. But I love 2-Bit Crypto. Shout out to 2-Bit. I remember 2-Bit and I used to be in his chat all the time for his Marbles games. I love 2-Bit. He's an awesome guy. He's got that accent. Today, I can't even do it. I would never be able to replicate, but he's an OG, man. I love him. I bought XRP at 34 cents. It's like the equivalent of the 2-Bit Crypto meme would be like Daddy. What's Daddy doing? The Crypto Journey coin. I remember this one. Like, for example, this one. Should I check out this coin? No. Like, the coin's dead. I'm not gonna buy the coin. Does it mean I don't like Crypto Journey? No, I like him. I like Rodney. I think Rodney's cool. I just wouldn't buy his meme coin. But I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I was mining Bitcoin in 2013. That's crazy. I mean, I was 13 years old back then. I was not mining anything. Before I hit 18, I wasn't doing anything financial. I really only dived super deep into it when my parents started forcing me to pay rent. So I got super deep into finance after that. I bought XRP at 34 cents back in June 22. Yeah, I got XRP even sooner than that. Like, I bought way earlier than that. I just lost the XRP. I don't even want to talk about it. I lost a lot. Dude, right now that XRP would be worth like almost 100K. I don't want to talk about it. I sent it to the wrong address. But I did buy some XRP and I'm also up on that. It just sucks. That was my biggest L in crypto. Just fat fingering my XRP. I probably would have sold it though. So I don't think either way I would have gotten all this profit. But I did end up accumulating in the bear market for like 30, 40 cents XRP. 5-cent Hbar buying crew. PogChamp. Feels good. I mean, Bitcoin's looking like it's going for another run. 104,868. Oh, 105K. All right, we going? All right, can we break new all-time highs? Are we going to see it on the stream? We need to break $105,262. It's going for the run right now. All right. Does it hit resistance? No. It looks like it's going. It looks like it's going right now. Let's go, boys. You want to pump it up. The problem with the Pump It Up song, I played it like I read it like twice on my last stream. It instantly demonetized my stream, just destroyed it. And then I had to like argue with the Pump It Up guys. I want to buy like the rights to play Pump It Up on the streams. But come on, you want to pump it up. I'm setting up an ETH long on Coinbase. Wait, Coinbase is a derivatives market? Since when does Coinbase have futures? I told you 106K. I mean, when 106? It'd be nice to see 106 on the stream. I'm not gonna lie. It'd be insane to see like a 130K Bitcoin end of year. I mean, how scared would we all be? I'd be soiling my pants if we hit 130K Bitcoin. That would be a little bit too fast for me to be comfortable. I'd be totally soiling my pants. No way I'd survive. I've been buying Marbits. Classy. It's class. You know what? Just because we love 2-bit, I will look up the chart. We will look up the chart. And we will see. Is it listed on CoinMarketCap? It is. 860K? Dude, it has no volume though. 30K. I'm pretty surprised he decided to launch a meme coin on it though. What's the idea surrounding it? The marbles. Is there kind of like a plan here? We're doing an AI agent Marbits. I feel like we're gonna be bouncing off that 100K mark for a while. Maybe. I don't know though. Part of me feels we're gonna keep running here. As weird as that sounds, I think maybe I'm too bullish. I think we're just gonna keep going. Let's go, Hbar. Let's pull up the chart. Where we at? Hbar's doing a little bit of something. Everything's flipping green. Thoughts on TAI? Why don't I know that one? What is TAI? TARS. Oh, this is the Solana one. Oh, yeah. People are really bullish on Infra and Sol. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong here. Yeah, it is Sol. It is Sol. Yeah, people are really bullish on Infra and Sol in 2025. So I'm assuming it's going to do well. PogChamp. Fly to 40 cents. PogChamp. Question mark. If I can get... guys, I'm not a meme coin trader. My friend, I love you guys, but I don't trade meme coins anymore. It's not my thing. We've long left the dirty. I feel like it's like being an OnlyFans model if you talk about meme coins. It's like the dirty side of crypto. I buy no Marbits, but I appreciate the offer, my friends. I'm a boomer. I'm old. I'm getting old. I have my beard. I'm gonna die. I do have this thing though. I have a shiny light. So if I'm feeling particularly green, Hoktua. Oh yeah, that girl's been gone for how long at this point? She's been on retirement for like 13 decades. The woman's dying. She's been sleeping for too long. She's been gone for like how many hours now? Hoktua. How is that meme coin doing? You know what meme coin I want to check out? I want to check out the Hoktua coin. What's the chart on this? Has it rugged yet? Where is it? Is it Hawk? I don't even know what the ticker is for this thing. Look at this chart. This is bullish. It kind of looks like a boot. What is this? Yo. Why is this alive? Oh, fuck. We're all gonna get rugged. It's fine if we all get rugged. We just like each other, right? All right, let's put Bitcoin back. Bitcoin's still doing its thing. 105K. All right, we're going for the breakout. Going for new all-time highs here. Breaking news. Do we get the new all-time highs? People like to play with dead coins. What's going to happen is the second the Hoktua girl does anything, it's going to pump. It's going to be so stupid. It's going to have a dead cat bounce. That dead cat is going to go do some ridiculous stuff. Gala price predictions. My friend, we do not delve in the Gala ecosystem. In terms of gaming, we do different infra plays. I got a bad taste off Gala, so I don't trade Gala. Does that mean Gala's not going to pump? I'm not saying that, you know. Gala can do its thing, but I just personally don't prefer to play around with things that I just don't have good experiences with. Makes sense, right? When I left the Gala ecosystem, I just gave away all my items. I didn't even bother selling it. Dude, I just floored everything. I just said, hey, it's aight. Love Gala. I used to be big on Gala, and then they screwed over everyone. And Hbar always walks slowly, not fast to fly. What do you mean not fast to fly? This thing mooned. Of course Hbar's fast to fly. It just needs to have the right conditions to fly. Oh, we're getting real close to all-time highs now. Let's put these charts up. So we're in 29,570. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Are we going to break out 30 cents here? On the 15-minute chart, this chart looks very good. It looks good. 105,000. Let's go, boys. New all-time high. Come on. Give it to me. I've been yeah. Oh, to be fair, like, I think Gala was a blessing. I met a lot of great people in the community, and you know, they've been doing great things in other aspects of crypto. So I have, you know, no regrets. At the end of the day, like, I was very passionate about covering spider tanks and everything in between, interacting with the community, all that. I just didn't really like what they did to their developers. You know, it just wasn't a great thing. But here we go. New all-time highs for crypto. 105,273. We're almost there. $100 off of new all-time highs for crypto. Are we going to hit $106,000 on the stream? Question mark. Question mark, question mark, question mark. We got 110 people vibing on here. Looking at new all-time highs for crypto. Let's go. I'm liking it. Are we going to get it? I think we'll get it. I think we'll get it. Quant price predictions. I think my quant price prediction would be very similar to my price prediction for XDC. XDC is a beta play of XRP. It's going to run, but it's going to take a while to run. Oh, new all-time highs. We hit it. Did we just hit new all-time highs? I think we did. 205.59. Yeah, I think that was new all-time highs. 150K by Wednesday. Jesus. Stop saying that. You're terrifying. You're a scary boy. A very scary boy. Come on, 105K. Let's get it up. Let's get it up. Casper, I hope it pumps in the bull run. Yeah, it did go sideways. You know what the problem is, Jedi? The problem is that right now, validators, sorry, excuse me, not validators, miners are not making money. The miners are very depressed in Caspa. They're losing money, depending on the ASIC. Most ASICs are losing money on Caspa right now. So they are not liking or enjoying Caspa right now, quite frankly. They have to sell their Caspa. So it's tough. Caspa needs a breakout. Caspa needs to go to like 23 cents to continue its run. It's awkward right now for Caspa holders. So I shaved off a lot of my bag here around this range. I remember, I think I made a video on it. It was like 12 cents or something like that I took my initial profit. So I don't know. We'll see where it goes. But I have a moon bag at this point for Caspa. I haven't been too focused on what Caspa's been doing. Maybe it'll run. Caspa community was so strong, I remember, earlier this cycle. It just absolutely mooned and then stopped. You're mad to sell Caspa? Probably, but I did it anyway. I took profit. I bought Caspa at like 3 cents. I did really well in my Caspa trade. Is Sui the Solana killer? Do you want my honest opinion? I think Sui's a great buy. For me, at least. No financial advice, guys. Like, you do what you want, but I like Sui a lot. I think Sui's going to do very well. Very, very well. Even right now, it's going to do very well. Oh, new all-time highs for crypto. Let's go. 105K, 399, 416, 500, 600. Oh, it's going. It's going right now. 105, 647. Where are we going? Where are we going? All right, we had a bit of a correction here. It looks like it wants to keep going. It doesn't want to stop here. 573. Where are we going here? Come on, come on. 600. Do we get 106? Maybe. It's keeping going, but yeah, I'm super bullish. Oh yeah, 656, 700. Are we gonna have a little bit of volatility? It's going, breaking out. What's up, Flacco? Get the Hbar gains. A little bit? Nah, not too much. Not too much. I've been going to the gym though. It's about to hit 107K. Here we go. 735. We hit new all-time highs on the stream. Let's go. But yeah, Sui for me, I'm super bullish. I do think it'll be similar to Solana. I'm very bullish on Sui. I think Sui's going to outperform Solana by multiples this cycle. I think the era, this might be a hot take, but the era of Solana, you know, outperforming most of these cryptos on the top is over. Solana had its run. Meme coins had the run. And Solana at the end of the day is a meme coin chain. Is Solana infrastructure going to pump? Yeah, I think so. What am I watching this on? TradingView. But my opinion here is Solana kind of had its run. Maybe I'm wrong. But I sold a lot of Solana and I bought other bags. I have a big bag of AVAX. I have, of course, Hbar XRP. Cardano, a little bit. Not too much Cardano. Congratulations on your wedding. Thank you, Todd. I actually have my ring. Let me show you. I haven't shown anyone. It's weird holding it, but see? Pretty cool, right? I'm not wearing it right now though, but pretty cool. Yeah, we're probably gonna be going to like Mexico or something. So you're gonna see randomly all of a sudden, I'm gonna turn full crypto. I mean, I'm gonna take the camera. But I mean, there's no breaks in crypto. But I'm thinking we go to like Cancun or some kind of like all-inclusive resort. So because I need to de-stress. I've been taking 0 days off in crypto for a long time. And I'm not gonna lie, like this has been life-changing for me. Absolutely life-changing wealth that I've made. I'm not gonna have to worry about money for a very long time. And I'm very happy about that. I'm blessed. But I'm stressed. I'm very stressed out. Because I have a lot of things to think about. I just have so much happening right now. I have 2 channels. And remember, I'm not just a YouTuber. I'm doing so much more than just YouTubing. YouTubing is a very small part of everything I do. But yeah, I wanna go to like an all-inclusive resort, somewhere nice with the girl, and having a good time. And then I'll probably, more than likely, when the AVAX summit happens, it's gonna happen probably in Europe. We have $105,866, 873, 106K. Yeah, the plan for me is I want to explore Europe. You know, I really want to explore the world because one of the big problems that I've had is, you know, my parents weren't very bullish on me. They weren't very bullish on my existence in general. And so a lot of the things I've been building is just kind of me on my own. And I'm at the point where I feel like I've kind of made it. I don't need to work if I don't have to. And I'm also at the point where like we've had life creep, so we've been spending a little bit more, but I don't have an insane amount of life creep. Like I'm well aware that 106K, 106,000. Oh, we're going 106,000 boys. Oh my God, that's a pump and a half. Where's Hbar? Hold on. Sorry, boys. Excuse me. Holy shit. Excuse my language. Yeah, you were right, VA. Hey, you got it. I remember you bought your dad an NFT for his birthday. I have an update on that actually, Jedi. I feel comfortable enough with you all because I've shared like my entire life with you all. I went ahead and actually grew that portfolio. I'm going to show you here just because we're close, right? This is the portfolio of what happened from that. So this portfolio, it was valued at about $600. Can I show that? Does this show? I don't know if it shows. I'm trying here. Yeah, $600 here, right? And then in December 3rd, it went down here to about $200. And then I decided to kind of like take the fruits here, buy some Solana, right? And when I bought Solana, it did very well. Started going up and up and up and up. And then I bought Sui and AVAX, and then I gave it to my dad. And I think the all-time high was what, $1,000? I can't find it. Okay, I'll have to like. This is where I gave it to him at. Maybe it'll like $1,050. Yeah, I know it's blurry. But it ended up being about a 2x from back in 2021. And that was like all-time highs in crypto. So I decided to trade a little bit and I gave it to him for Christmas. And they're going to be using it to get some of our family and visit them because a lot of my family is in Cuba right now, and Cuba is in a very bad situation. Very bad situation. You're so handsome. Thank you. Thank you. I'm taken though. I'm taken. I got the ring. But I appreciate you. But yeah, like my priority in life is always, you know, despite what my parents said to me earlier in my life, like I'm a forgiving person at the end of the day. And what is my net worth? I will never tell. And it's crypto. Do not laugh. Yeah, for me, I'm not gonna tell you my net worth. It's crypto. But I'm healthy. She got the ring, of course. She got the ring. She got the ring. She's very happy. You're from Cuba as well? Yeah, do saw, bro. Are you like a Mr. 305 too, or what's up? What's up? I feel like everybody from Cuba went straight to Miami, so probably everybody's from Miami. Yeah, I don't live in Miami anymore though. I feel like I might go back. I might go back. I'll think about it. I would love to go to Cuba. Don't go to Cuba. Say it. He is. Yeah, man. Like, I definitely am not bullish on Cuba right now. I haven't visited Cuba in like 4 or 5 years. Right before the pandemic, I went, and I haven't gone since. Because they have this thing called the apagones. Everything's just turning off in Cuba. The electricity is awful, the situation they have over there. So it's not very bullish. Been watching you 2 years now. I think you're bright. Thank you. I appreciate you. I mean, I'm very much aware that I'm not knowledgeable in everything, and I don't pretend to be. I'm a little bit humble in that sense, but I also understand what I'm good at. And I tend to be good at yapping at a camera. I'm pretty good at yapping at cameras. I used to be very insecure when it comes to this stuff, but I got used to it after making 2,000 videos. And the number 2 thing, and I think this is more important than anything else, is that I'm very dedicated. So once I go into something, I make sure that I do everything I can to make it successful. How much do we weigh? How much do I weigh? I weigh right now 197. So since the start of the year, are you giving me food? Yeah, I'm doing it live. You want to join?
Hi.
I'm just in a dark room. You want to say hi to them?
Hello.
But you have to say hi closer to the microphone.
Hi. How are you?
Are you doing ASMR? Hello. Wait, do you have the ring?
Oh my god, let me get it.
You don't have the ring on?
I was washing my
Oh
hands.
my God.
I was doing the dishes.
I swear.
Let me get the ring.
Unlucky. I swear to God. She's coming back. Don't worry. On the baby. Okay, relax, guys. Con gritos tones, viste? You're actually not that far off. You're not that far off. The rice and beans. Sister? What do you mean, sister? Don't say that. It's my wife. Sister. Come on, boys. But yeah, I relax. We're not related. Bro's down bad. You can't come back from that. But yeah, no, like, you gotta pick up your Latina, right? Latino needs a Latina. Yeah, like, I understand my strengths and my weaknesses. There's a good reason that she made you food. She's a keeper. She also made me this thing, which I hate taking.
It's a flu shot.
They can't hear you.
It's a flu shot.
It's a flu shot. I don't have the flu though.
Well, it's
I hate drinking this.
It's actually an immunity shot. Sorry.
I hate drinking this thing, but I mean, I guess I can't complain, right? Oh, you're gonna show it off? But like, it's blurry, so you're gonna have to kind of move it around. But don't move it around too much. No. I don't know if we're gonna get this. Wait, stop moving it. Maybe I can press this. Oh, did I get it? Cover my face. Oh, you got it. There it is. She needs to do her nails though. Don't judge me.
Yeah.
Some people are like roasting me over it.
I just haven't had time. But I want to do my nails.
Yeah, see, I don't abuse her. No nail grifting.
He's actually really caring.
I paid her to say that, by the way. My wife is toxic as hell. I mean, the average Latina is pretty toxic.
I'm not toxic.
But no, you're not toxic. I'm not saying you are. I can't win here. I can't win here. It's like a Latino like stereotype.
Yeah, but I'm not toxic.
I'm not saying you are. I'm
good.
just saying in general. It's like a stereotype. Ring was paid for with the crypto gains. This is true. This is very true. You have to like cover my face. Yeah, it's bull market ring. Pay her an Hbar. She ain't getting my Hbar.
I'm gonna get
Sorry.
H for
Fuck.
I actually
She secured the bag.
actually Rosie got your H-bar yesterday and she gave
Don't talk about dogs. They will make a meme coin off the dog. You do not want that. We don't want that in this world. No meme coins. No meme coins here, please. You can tell. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate you. We're just watching right now the price of Bitcoin. We're literally just watching the little line go up.
Oh,
Yeah, it kind of gets us going a little bit. So we like to watch the line. It's our kink.
yeah.
I have to take this actually.
Yes. Oh my god. Take it.
All right,
Take it.
sure.
It's actually really good. It's not that gingery because I put less ginger.
Ugh.
I put more oranges this time, so he's just exaggerating.
No, I'm not. It's not that bad actually. It's all right.
It's really good. It's actually really tasty.
What cryptos does your girl hold? You tell them.
Should I?
Show your bags.
I hold Solana. I also hold do I hold Y?
I think you sold it.
Oh,
Because she'd be holding BNB then.
yeah.
What else you holding?
Do I bring my
Yeah, I
wallet?
think you're being interrogated right now. You're gonna have to bring it.
Okay.
No, don't show people your wallet. Don't do that.
No, I'm gonna show you so you can talk about it.
Maybe. Yeah, I got her to buy Solana. She's doing pretty well. Because I gave her this is the context. I gave her one of my Solana phones to get her into crypto. So and the Solana phones did really well. You have the Solana phone. Yeah, I don't have it. Yeah. I gave her a Solana phone because I bought 3 of them. And I was like, that's how I'm going to onboard her into crypto, right? With the Solana phone. She deserves to have her own savings. She deserves to have her own finances, like. So I want to promote that. I want to promote being financially educated. Like I feel like your wife should understand finances as well. So for me, my way of giving back is by educating her on what I do in crypto. Keep up to date with about and focus on the crypto happening. Yeah, same thing. Seems nice. Good for you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Holding my child. Guys, we just got married. Relax. What do you think about STX? Is that what, Stacks? I think STX is Stacks. I haven't actually seen the narrative on Stacks in a long time. It's been a while.
I don't think Solana's doing that great, but
Solana is doing fine. Yeah, Solana's all-time highs. It's all right. Education is 1,000% important. Exactly, right? All right, what do you got? You got Soul. What is this, Grumpy Cat? The hell is this?
I have Grumpy Cat.
You need to sell this. That's what you need to do. And then
I have Polygon.
you probably she has like ecosystem stuff.
I have Polygon.
You have Polygon?
See it.
Yeah, more like Polygon.
I'm thinking if I should sell.
You're thinking if I should sell?
Pretty good.
You think Polygon's doing well? I mean, kind of.
I was looking at it a few moments earlier.
I mean, not the best chart in the world, but it's all right. It's alive, I guess. Poly dead. Facts. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I think she's just held it because she was trading something else. What about BNB? I know you have BNB.
Oh,
Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
¿qué hay a hacer? I don't know what I said.
What did you just say? How many bars you got? Mad bars.
I got 100% bars.
100% bars. 0% bitches.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. XRP, ya tú sabes. Yeah, I mean, actually, BNB's killing it. Tu esposa habla español? Yeah, of course she does. Latina. She does it better than me. I'm too American. I've got the gringo accent.
Oh,
104
can you show
billion.
them your ring?
I did show them. Are you wearing it?
Yeah.
Damn, you got drip.
Do I leave?
Yeah, I mean, you go about your day. It's all right.
Okay.
You don't have to be here.
No,
If you don't wanna
I'm
be.
a little shy.
Showing off the food.
This is what I made.
I'll eat it in like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
You want to put it in the microwave?
Skirt steak. Oh,
It looks really good though.
Thank you.
Looks really good. You're so like into the stream at this point.
Yeah.
Solana is worth it for the stakeability and its future potential in the workings. So I think the play.
Oh my god, thank you. It is. It's actually really good.
Que rico, right? El aguacate. That's what I'm saying.
my
Where is the avocado?
My mom loves avocado.
We have avocados.
Honestly, I'm gonna get you some avocado.
All right.
if you want.
Fist pump. Cool. But yeah, I'm gonna get back into it. Where?
Cuba.
Yeah, she's Cuban. Guana. She's great content. Congrats. Thank you.
Oh my god, thank you. Thank you. I should start my own
Yeah,
channel.
she's. You know what? You want to just take over the stream? You want me to leave?
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
It was fun. See you, boys.
Thanks, babe. Okay. No, give it to me.
You don't need it. It doesn't do anything.
Oh, okay. No, but I'm a gamer.
You're a gamer. It's not my gaming stream.
Okay, so now how it's doing, it's very cool.
Wow.
Wow. Look, so now we're seeing Hbar. It's like going down, you know.
That's the Bitcoin chart.
Oh. Yikes. Well, the Bitcoin is going down. It's so what do you guys want to know?
Don't click random things. Don't click my messages, you fucking maniac. You're gonna dox everything. Okay, get out of here. You're banned. You're banned.
I wanted to see.
Get
the
outta here.
comments. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I expose anything?
No. You were about to though.
Okay.
We got. We're taking over.
This
Abort.
is getting very interesting.
I'm going to unsubscribe. Yo.
Oh my God. He does have a sister.
Give me financial advice. Yo, relax. You
Okay,
see what I mean? You see what I mean?
Yeah, I see.
They're trying to get me destroyed.
Ooh.
Go to Miami or Cuba? She's Cuba.
Yeah, I was raised here though. I came here into the United States when I was 6, and I stayed. I came by a plane.
She didn't go on a raft. No
Yeah,
raft here.
no.
This channel's gonna 100x. The brain rot content is crazy. Yo, what is going on? Let's see. Oh, everything's still going good. Big pump. She made me lose all my savings. Breaking news. Everybody needs to go on Twitter.
Ooh.
Cancel. Hold on. We need to get this. Go like this.
Wait.
Ready? Thanks.
I love
Why is it so bright? Who cares?
it. I love it.
Breaking news. Breaking news. Crypto traders get exposed for high octane gaming and other related drama. More news to come at 6. I don't know. What else do I do?
Ooh.
Okay, give it to me.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You spill it.
This is how you can tell I'm not a content creator.
No, you have great ideas. You just have to believe in yourself.
Wait, what do I? More news at 6
More news at 6. Come on.
p.m. Eastern time.
Eastern time. All right. Cool. We're thinking time zones now. All right.
Wait.
You're making people lose their life savings. You see this? Look at what you've done. The damage is
That
irreversible.
makes a lot of sense. I did expose everything.
Exposed. All right. I'm gonna get back to it.
Okay,
I'll see you later.
get back to it.
See ya. Peace. All right, let's get back into this. The brain rot is crazy.
Oh my God, wait. Can I show Rosie? Just like Rosie. Oh my God.
No.
Fine.
No dogs. Don't give them meme coin material.
They're not gonna make a meme coin.
They will. You're already saying it.
Oh, sorry.
Go. I don't want to be responsible for a meme coin.
Do I take Rosie with me? She wants to stay with
Just
me.
leave her there. She's having a great time. These people are very evil when it comes to their little pump fun buttons.
The microwave.
All right, peace out.
Peace.
Peace.
Deuce. Is it deuces?
Needs to come at 6. I love dogs. No, this is dangerous. This is dangerous. Get the dog out quickly.
Sorry. I'm still reading.
Just go. Just go.
I'm gonna leave. Bye.
I need to be in my man cave. Okay. All right, we're back at it. We're back at it. Anyway, what are we up? $5? What is this? 539? And we're down 7. Huge trade, guys. Massive profits. Massive. Today for the Bitcoin price. Yeah, no, great stuff. But yeah, no. Yeah, I would say centralized exchange coins are gonna do super well. Crow, man cave for the win. Yeah, hell yeah. I mean, I got a 3-bedroom for the sole purpose of having this man cave. I used to work in my own room. It was terrible. I mean, one day I was playing League of Legends, and like a part of the roof caved in on me. Had to finish the game with my keyboard damaged. Still won. I did win. Got a couple kills. Not too bad. Playing with my mouse only, but yeah, definitely some struggle there. Yeah, having your roof cave on you while you're playing League is not the most fun thing while you're in promos, but you got to make it work. You got to make it work. Yeah, these exchange coins are gonna do really well. Like BNB's killing it though. I'm very surprised. EVE Online for me, I played a little bit of EVE Online, but I could never get into it. For me, the game was what, like Lineage, and then okay.
I'm looking for my phone.
Your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm sorry.
It's okay. That's the most wild story ever. Hey, a man's gonna do what he's gotta do. I was grinding. I was grinding way back in the day. I used to have these things called Mobifier guides. They had millions of views. I should pull it up right now. I mean, Mobifier, I think people still use it for guides on League. But my name on it was Double Feed OP because I used to idolize this guy called Double Lift. And you could see like these guides. For example, like the Ezra one had like 1.9 million views. People love this stuff. Buffalo just beat Detroit. Thank God. Yeah, I've been getting a little bit into sports. I watched the Dolphins game. They were going against the New York it was the Jets? The Jets. Yeah, I remember. It was the Jets. And I bet on the Dolphins. Not gonna lie, I left the stadium. They were down 10 points and they won. I don't know how they won. It was overtime. I missed the most legendary game of all time because I decided to go to some yacht party. I definitely regret it though. I should not have gone to that party. I should have just stayed. I've used Mobifier guides. Hey, maybe used one of mine. Who knows? But yeah, I used to make a bunch of those guides and I would stream. I was making a pretty solid income. I just got into crypto gaming. My big thing was Axie Infinity. And then that got me like really deep into crypto gaming. My most profitable trades have been crypto games, even to this day. ADC, yeah, no, I played ADC. I mained AD. So if you main ADC, like you probably saw it at some point, maybe. I made it for every champion. Every champion had a guide. But it was a very brief stint. Like I did it full time for maybe like 4 to 5 months before I got into crypto. So you had to be looking up the guides around that time. I was number 1 on most of the ADCs on their website. So I was grinding it. I was grinding it a lot. Why are we looking at BNB? Hbar is kind of breaking out a little bit. It just keeps running. Look at this beautiful chart. It's breaking out above. Looks good. Alts are kind of catching up just a tiny bit. Look at that. Very sexy pump. 106K. Jesus. 20 plus years in EVE Online. Are you excited for the Web3 EVE? Because there's going to be a crypto EVE. Oh? Jinx was always your favorite. I could never really enjoy Jinx. Because Jinx is too slow for me. Yes, Jinx is a snowball champ. I just enjoyed stuff like Ezreal Tristana. My favorite thing with Tristana is just going into 1v5s, just getting my combo off, instantaneously just running away after one-shotting someone. That's like the most fun thing in the world for me. I enjoyed playing Kai'Sa. I enjoyed playing Vayne, Caitlyn. I played a lot of Caitlyn. Stuff like that was what I played a lot of. And when I smurfed, I was playing like Draven and stuff like that. Yeah, Ezreal's really fun, depending on the meta, right? Like some metas are really boring for Ezreal. But then you get, for example, like the Trinity meta, That was really fun. That was really fun to play. But I mean, it depends, dude. I haven't played League in a while because I focus on crypto. And I feel like if I play League, I'm going to get addicted again. So I don't even bother. We're up $9. Okay, cool. We need to do more degen. More degen. There's hope. But yeah, boys, we've been alive for like an hour. I'll probably do like 2, 3, 4 more minutes, and then I'm gonna call it. I gotta go hit the gym before I go to sleep. Well, actually, no, I eat that and I think I'm done. You know what? No gym today. Just high octane food. This is why I'm never gonna lose weight. But yeah, it's been a fun stream for sure. We saw new all-time highs in crypto. We had Hbar pump. Life is good. It's good right about now, for sure. Get those $9.16 exit, degen. Get those $9.16 exit. Yeah, dude. I'm gonna do this. What is this? What's the highest leverage? I can do 50x. Jesus. What's the liquidation for a 50x? The required position margin at current leverage, $39. 50x. I'm not gonna adjust it, but that's crazy. You know how fast you'd get liquidated on a 50x trade? Any wick will just destroy you. The smallest wick will liquidate you. Nah. What's the top volume today? So XRP is kind of close to Ethereum's volume. XRP and then Solana's at about half of that. Yeah, Solana's pretty far off. You got Doge. Doge is gonna do really well. I think Doge goes above $1. And Sui, the gym bro. Go for my second workout once again. Oh, fair enough, dude. Fair. Yeah, I'll have to see because if I get too full, I get like stomach aches. But I think if I like wait a little bit after I eat, I'm definitely gonna go. I need to get my 10K steps in. This is the main thing. Because my error during the bear market was I got fat, pretty much. Depressed and fat. And now I'm like finally getting stable again. But yeah, it's gonna be the stream, guys. That's pretty much all I got. We got what we needed to get. We're ending the stream on a pump, so it's all pretty good. I'll see y'all later. It was fun. Thank y'all for coming in. I appreciate y'all.